No matter who we are, no matter where we come from, we exist to simplify your life.
Bonjour, c'est Harry, comment puis-je vous aider?
Hey guys, my name is Neeraj Tandon and I'm the CEO of Connect. I just wanted to be here to extend you a very warm welcome. The world around us is changing. I think the younger generation is very clear about what they want. They have aspirations, they want to work when they please, they want to consume content when they want. Essentially, they want to be masters of their destiny and have a greater control on their lives compared to what would happen if they were working full time. And I think businesses have to gear up to change their business models and employment models in such a fashion that they can meet the expectations of this new generation. So here we are, and we are kind of making changes to make sure that we can make Connect a worthwhile place for gig workers like you who would choose to work for a few hours every day and decide what they want to do with the rest of their lives. And in those 4 hours, besides getting compensation, they can also, if they do well, make a lot of money for themselves through variable compensations. And I do believe that this kind of an employment method brings a lot of new people into the employment mix. There are lots of talented ladies who cannot get out of work because of their family responsibilities. They come into the loop. There are lots of people who are studying and want to kind of work for a few hours to support their education. They come into the mix, and this goes on and on and on. So guys, we are very, very excited about having you here. We want to make sure that though you would be working from home, as an organization we stay engaged and make it worth your whiles to stay with us and make fixed and variable comps to meet your life's objectives. Thank you.
Hi friends, welcome to Connect Business Solutions. We're trying something very different with onboarding all of you, a possibility which got thrown up as a response to the COVID pandemic. You are one of our first batches of what we call sales advisors, individuals who will be working from the comfort of their homes at times convenient to them, but of course with an expectation of a minimum amount of time to be spent on the job. We wish you all well in this endeavor. A key aspect, of course, is that the more you sell, the more you would get rewarded, both in financial and non-financial terms. Besides having the satisfaction of contributing to something important for the organization, again, as I said, within the comfort of your home. So welcome again, let's do well, and please remember that whilst you are away from us physically, you all are close to our hearts. Do well, all the best.
Welcome you all to Connect Business Solutions. Connect has been a pioneer in its business engagement models and has always ensured it met its customers' expectations and delivered value to them. Connect's culture is defined by its values of customer first, buck stops with me, teamwork wins, and continuous excellence. Me and my team will support you in all possible ways to enable you to provide the services in an efficient and effective manner. I am sure your engagement with us will be fulfilling and enriching for all of you. Wishing you the very best. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Connect Business Solutions Limited. Let's simplify.